Hi friends, I'm Divya. Welcome back to Nifty Times Now. In our previous video, we discussed Nifty FPI in detail. We looked at why this index was created, what kind of stocks are included in this index, its important, when this index was launched, and when its futures and options contract were introduced. As a continuation of that video, in this video let's look at an important topic. How many of these indices are there in NSE India? How many of these indices are available for futures and options trading? And what are the other indices used for? Let's understand all this in a very simple way in this video. NSE has more than 435 indices. But there is one important thing we need to understand here. All these 435 plus indices are available in NSE cannot be used for futures and options trading. Earlier, there were 5 major indices available for futures and options trading. They are number 1, Nifty, number 2, Bank Nifty, number 3, Fin Nifty, number 4, Mid Cap Nifty, number 5, Nifty NXT 50. We have been doing futures and options trading on all these 5 indices. Now, the Nifty India FPI 150, which we discussed in our previous video, have become an additional to this list. That means Nifty India FPI has become now one of the 6 indices with futures and options trading opportunity. But apart from these, what are the other hundreds of indices available in NSE India used for? Let's look at that now. First, we have sectorial indices. Some indices are created to analyze how a particular sector is performing. For example, Nifty IT, Nifty Auto, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Metal, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Reality, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Oil and Gases. These indices can be used to analyze the performance of respective sectors. For example, is the IT sector positive today? How is the auto sector performing? Is there strength in pharma sector? Is the banking sector strong? Is the metal sector performing better than overall market? These sectorial indices are very useful for understanding how each sector is performing in the market. Next, we have board market indices. These include Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200, Nifty 500, Nifty Mid Cap 150, Nifty Small Cap 250, and many other indices. These indices help us analyze how different segments of all over market are performing. For example, are the only large cap stocks are showing strength? Are mid cap stocks are also participating? How are small cap stocks performing? Is the market movement happening only in a particular group of stocks? Or is there a particular across all over the market? Broad market indices help us analyze these kind of things. Similarly, some indices are created to track specific themes. For example, Nifty India Defense, Nifty India Digital, Nifty India Tourism, Nifty India Infrastructure and Logistics, and other such indices help us understand how a particular theme or industry trend is performing. Next, some indices are created based on specific investment strategies. For example, Nifty 100 Quality 30, Nifty Low Volatility 50, Nifty Alpha 50, Nifty 50 Value 20, and other such indices represent specific investment strategies. So, by now I hope one thing is clear to you. NSE India has more than 435 indices, but all of these indices are not available for futures and options trading. The 6th important indices that we need to focus on from now in trading perspectives are Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, Nifty Next 50, Nifty India FPI 150. The other indices are used for different purposes such as market analysis, sector analysis, thematic analysis, investment strategies, and various other purposes. I hope you gained a good understanding of Nifty indices from this video. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe the Nifty Times Now channel, and to continue watching more such videos on market analysis and trading knowledge videos like this, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. This is Nifty Times Now.